Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by boiling the potatoes so the interior stays fluffy. Once done, mash them while still warm to bind better. Make the tempering, mustard seeds, curry leaves, chopped chilies, and onions to add texture and aroma. Mix it into the potato and shape into tennis ball-sized patties. Meanwhile, whisk a thick besan batter with a pinch of baking soda so you get a light crust when fried. Form and rest the patties briefly. Prepare oil for deep frying while you move to the next steps. You need consistent oil temperature to cook through without burning. Aim for 170–180 degrees C and maintain it between batches. Once the batter clings evenly, gently lower a vada into the oil. If it sinks, then float slowly. The heat is right. Fry in small batches so temperature stays stable. Turn occasionally for all-around color. Drain on paper briefly. This keeps the crust crisp while the interior stays soft. Let the vadas rest a minute so steam escapes, which prevents sogginess when you assemble by butter toasting the pav for contrast and texture. Make sure the bread is warm so it doesn't cool the vada too fast. Spread a layer of green chutney and a sprinkle of dry garlic chutney or masala. This complements the fried exterior and seasoned potato interior. Place the hot vada in the bun and press gently so the chutneys absorb into the crust without squashing the filling. If the vada becomes soggy, reheat briefly in a hot pan to crisp the exterior before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.